Scott Groves here with another mortgage mystery. Should I go with a 15-year mortgage or a 30-year mortgage? And this question comes to us from a client on Facebook who is looking to refinance a property and buy a new investment property. And they were wondering, should they get a 30-year mortgage, which has a lower monthly payment due to the fact that you're taking longer to pay off the debt, but comes with a slightly higher interest rate due to the fact that the lender is allowing you to finance the debt over a longer period of time? Or should they go with a 15-year mortgage, which effectively doubles the payment, however, comes with a slightly lower mortgage interest rate due to the fact that the bank knows you're financing the property for a shorter amount of time? And the complicated answer is, it depends. A great loan officer will help walk you through all your options, educate you, run some payment scenarios, and help you determine what your best course of action is financially as to whether or not to take out the longer, slightly higher interest rate 30-year loan or the shorter, lower interest rate, but much higher payment 15-year loan. And I'll give you kind of my biased opinion on this. When I started in this industry in 2000 and rates were significantly higher, almost double what they are now, it made a lot more sense to evaluate a 15-year mortgage, because what would happen is on a 30-year fixed mortgage, your rate might be at 5.5% and your 15-year mortgage might be at 4.5%. This is going back 20 some odd years. However, as interest rates across the board have dropped and fallen to unprecedented lows, what we're seeing is that a 30-year fixed, as of the time of this recording, which is September of 2021, a 30-year fix might be at 2.875, and a 15-year fix might only be at 2.5 or 2.625. So all of a sudden, the spread in the interest rate, and therefore the money you save on paying a lower interest rate, doesn't really seem worth the risk of locking yourself into a monthly mortgage payment that's almost double on a 15-year loan what it would be on a 30-year loan. So what I find myself frequently recommending to clients is take the 30-year mortgage that has the lower contractually obligated payment, get what is still a great interest rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage, and then let's work together to say, hey, if you want to pay this loan off in 25 years or 20 years or 15 years or 5 years, here's the extra principal that you have to add to your monthly payment in order to pay off the loan early. Because the reality is there's virtually no loan in America that comes with a prepayment penalty. So whether or not you want to pay an extra $100 a month or an extra $10,000 a month onto your mortgage, that will automatically go towards principal. There will be no penalty, and you will facilitate a quicker payoff of your loan. So my personal opinion and my professional opinion is go with the 30-year mortgage. You can still get a great rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage on either a purchase or a refinance. Talk to a qualified loan officer like myself. Figure out how much extra you need to pay in order to pay off that loan early. And then, goodness forbid, if you have some cash flow issues in the future or you have some type of hardship or loss of job, you're not contractually obligated to the much higher 15-year mortgage payment. You can just choose to pay extra on that lower 30-year fixed mortgage payment. If you have any questions about the interplay of all these things, the interest rate, the rate that's charged, the duration or timeline of your loan, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us, whether it's to apply for a new loan on a purchase or a refinance of a house, or if you just want a second opinion, I'm happy to do that as a free service. All of my information is below: email, phone number, a link to get directly on our calendar, or leave a comment here. Also, if you're enjoying these videos or there's a video you would like to see, just do me a favor. Also, leave a comment, click the like button, or subscribe. We'll try to get a new video out every 24 hours, so we'll definitely answer your question. And we're always here to serve, so shoot us an email if you need anything. Scott Groves with the Mortgage Mysteries series.